Welcome, in front of me is Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater, and in this video I will show you how to enable in-game subtitles in this game. To do that, you have to go to Options, which you can do right from the start of the game, or if you are in game already, then you can press Escape button and then select Options. And in Options select Language / Subtitles. And to enable in-game subtitles, you have to switch the toggle for this setting to on, and this way you will enable in-game subtitles. Then once you enable them, you'll be able to change the style of it, style of the in-game subtitles by switching these values to different ones. And to apply changes, just press the right key of your mouse or escape to go back. The changes will be applied automatically. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.